package managers. So package managers one of the crucial part in the Linux administration systems. I need to hear the packaging, updating, or installing anything. We need these commands are most crucial. The Fedora M, like I showed, these three commands are more crucial from Fedora, rel, and CentOS, Alma, whatever it is. I show this RPM packages sudo yum search and map. Search the nmap and get the output on the screen. There is a nmap packages to are available, and then we have the users sudo yum install nmap. It's successfully installed. It's showing already installed, that's why it's successfully installed. Then we have sudo remove nmap. Yes, it's asked the prompt, do you want to delete do you want to remove this? Yes, it's type yes and enter, and it's successfully removed. And we have also sudo upgrade lowest. It's asking something. It's update entire the Linux system. Update or upgrade. It takes some time. That's it. It's successfully updated. That's fine. It's like supported. The DNF also supported. DNF search. DNF also is a package manager. DNF search and map. Okay, that's fine. DNF M. Both are similarities we used on the RedHat or Fedora, rel and CentOS, or M and DNF. And we have the if you have any RPM packages, or if you download something from the internet, you want to install in the RPM command. It's called as RPM packages. The queue and the package name. It shows the all RPMs are available in the Linux system, in the Fedora or the Alima Linux system. And then we have the apt command. apt is commonly used in the Ubuntu and Debian OSs. Sudo apt update. Let's update the Linux system. This takes a few minutes. We can also upgrade this. Let's update the system. So, zero updates, zero new installs. It's already updated new version. That's why nothing showing. And we can also install sudo apt install or search. We can use the search and map. There's a bunch of the use and maps showing the entire search and give the output. Then we have, like, I want to install the map. Sudo apt and map. Okay, it's already installed. That's why it's not showing. Want to remove and map. Let's ask the prompt again. We click enter. It successfully removed the aperture. Alternative of apt is called aperture. APTITUD update. Press enter. Take a few seconds. few minutes, and then again it's again sudo aptitude update. Aptitude is also another package manager alternative. It takes few seconds. The update is successfully released, and then we have the search screen. Okay, here's the use output. Okay, that's fine. This is I'm using the Aptitude search installed remote. That's it. Aptitude is an alternative of apt. You can use using if you are using the Debian or Linux. If you are using the Debian, Ubuntu, whatever it is, Debian based Linux systems, use the apt or Aptitude. If you are using like RedOS, RedHat, like CentOS, AlmaOS, whatever it is, use the M or alternative is DNF. Both are pre-built installed. You can use any of them. And if you want to use the third-party apps or the low level using the RPM things, in the DPK you can use the dpk/i dpkg. You can use the install the low level of the dev packages, Debian packages. And when have also Gento, Arch Linux, and open source have like Pacman. Pacman used for the Arch Linux, and MHG is a Gento. Zypher is for open source. They use package managers are different based on the Linux operating systems, but the like comments are the similarity. The most of the comments are similarity: install, update, remove, delete, whatever it is. The third party can also the central container packages manager, like most of the times use the snap find Kubernetes Docker. First, give the entire the Docker versions. The 2 points the versions are there. The key difference between the package managers, like DNF is searching to M in the newest versions of the system like Fedora and CentOS. It's provide the different performance and improvements that depend on the resolutions. But and we are when you are using the Debian or Ubuntu Debian based Linux systems, APT versus Aptitude, both APT and Aptitude are used to Debian based systems for the package managing, but Aptitude offers the more advanced user interfaces, additionally features to managing the packages. But we use the APT. APT was previously comes with the Ubuntu or whatever the Debian based systems, and Arch Linux. Arch Linux is one of the most useful Linux systems, and while you are the hacking tools, the pre-built hacking tools are the most using the Arch Linux. Knowing like Pacman, the Pacman is similar to Speed. It's a default Pacman manages for the Arch. Use the binary packages enrolling the latest models. And the Snap. This is Universal Package Managers designed to provide the Snapbox application that working across the various Linux systems. If you are not familiar with this, you can use the Snap. Snap is all the Linux systems are it's complicated with all the Linux systems, whatever the Arch Linux, open source, whatever it is, Zypher. Use the Snap. You can easily install much more things. It's a universal thing. Enable the features. Next we have the df. Df command is a disk-free command. Command is used to display the information about the disk spaces you just saw on your system. This shows how much disk space is used, how much is available, and the file systems will begin use. Like df h the slash my dev.sga 39 GB and used 5.3 GB, available 34, and using 34 GB slash is indicated it's a dev, and you remove the slash and shows all the temp files and the dev SDA, the two devs, SDA and SDA15. These are the hard disks divided into the, and the temp files. User and the share has a multi pass the home one has a 100,000 GB storage. Like T shows the types. the types. It shows the full system types, example xt4 and tmfs along with the disk usage details. I think this is useful, like df slash home. This will display only disk usage for the home directory. And if you want to see the inodes, it shows the inodes usage of the instead of the disk usage, which is useful for the checking. If you are running out of the inodes, particularly on the file system that has a lot of the sample files, the inodes, using the inodes. This is inode. So there is no mount file, that's why it's not showing error. And the bunch of the useful options. We are using the network mount. This is the T, NFS, 192, 168, 1.100. This is the network. This is mount NFS, shows the will shape the drives. Right now it's showing the thrown error. Why I don't have anything right now. It's fine. etc slash unmount command is used to file the system, making the accessible for the system. It's important to unmount the properties, avoiding the loose. But unmount as this unmount with the systems. I have the two options. One is the force mount. F option is the force unmount the operation. I means lazy unmount. The files are unmounted once it is no longer active. We have to use the I option. So unmount is no longer active. FSCK. FSCK command to check the integrity of the file systems and attempt the repairs and errors found often is the unclean shutdowns when the file system shows the signs. FSCK check the drive. Right now I didn't show the anything examples of FSCK. And then we have the make fs. The command is used to create the new file system in the disk partition. So there makefs is to create the new files of the disk partitions, storage devices. This process involves the formatting of the partitions or the setting up the structure required the storing the data. This command can be formatted to the particular variables such as the ext4, nfs, ndfs, and xfs. Using the mksf.ext4 slash dev slash sbp1. This create the st is a partition with the xt4 and the also the useful we want to nfts, like I didn't show the examples right now. ndfs, it's a create an ndfs file on the partition, or xfs create the xfs files, and FAT32 files are shown in the partitions. That's it. Then we have the resize to f. Resize to f is a command used to resize the ext4, ex2, and ext3 or ex4 file systems that can be used to grow or shrink the file systems depending on your available space of the partitions. Like you adjust the sizes. Purpose is like adjusting the sizes of ex2 and ext3 or the ext4 file systems. Can be either or the sync the files or depends upon the partition sizes. Before the resizing, let's check the add unmount the file systems. The growing file systems ensure the free of spaces available immediately following the partitions. I can also specify the dev sdv1 and to specify that I want to 10 GB. Resize the file systems on the 10 GB and the expanded the files. That's fine. Resize I don't have any SDV. Okay. If you have the any pen drive or anything, try it yourself. The parted